Geoff, the instant asset write-off is an important government initiative. You've been speaking with government, though, recently about some issues. Tell us about that.
Thank you, David. Instant asset write-offs are a federal government initiative. They went from $30,000 to $150,000, and that's the current asset write-off parameters at the moment. A couple of challenges here. One is that this ends in June this year, and we're urging government to extend it past June, at least till September, and if not further for another financial year. We know that businesses, as they reignite and rebuild, need new machinery. And a lot of that machinery and plant inside workshops takes time to put together. So we're also asking government to use the allocation at the time of sale, not at the time of delivery. Often the time of delivery, as opposed to the time of sale, can be a month or 2 months, where machinery, farm machinery in particular, needs to be put together. So instant asset write-off, A, keep it at 150 or increase it, extend it at least until September or until the following year, and make sure that the time it takes to get a piece of equipment from sale to the workshop doesn't make a member ineligible. We support the government in this initiative, but we need better flexibilities, and we're talking to government about this now.